Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you what in my opinion is the best way to install Dashcam in the Chevrolet Bolt EV, or actually any car, and then how you can make successful cabling and power the device without having to hardwire or install anything in the fuse box. So this is my Nextbase Dash Cam. As you can see, it's very small and it doesn't take away any vision while you're driving. And it has two cables. It has one for the front to power the main unit, and then here in the back, I'll show you later, is the rear view camera. Yeah, and as you can see also there, the cable is not really annoying or obstructing any vision. So how have I installed this Dashcam? First of all, I've used the main power cable here in the 12 volt socket, 24 volt socket, cigarette outlet. And then I put the cable underneath the floor mat, as you can see. Here are my legs. And there it continues underneath the floor mat. Here you have the Opel Ampera logo. I think in the US you'll have the Chevy Bolt EV logo. There goes the cable up. Hope you can see this. Up in between the door, and then it travels here on the side. Now here, note that on the side here there's no way where you can actually run the cable smoothly, so I use these small clips here that keep everything tight in place. They have like sticky material underneath. Probably if you get them in gray color or black it may look even better, but I'm really not that bothered by it. And then it goes here via the window, and here you can actually, on the side, you can just push in the cable. So you can see, you can't even see that cable. Here you can see it a little bit. And then it goes here, up, also pushed in here. And then here it reaches the Dashcam. On the other side, for the rear view camera, it's exactly the same thing. It goes here, disappears on the side, and then goes all the way through the back. Now let me show you how that's done. Verdammt nogmaal. Miserable weather here in the Netherlands. But I have to make this video because I think it'll be cool for you to watch. Dashcam, it's actually on the other side. Hold on. Yes. From the window, it goes down here and then underneath the floor mat. But the cool thing here is that you can just push it completely in this crack here. So run the cable all the way through the back. Here again, nicely tuck and snug under the floor mat. Goes up here through the cracks of your seat, and then here you have the rear view camera, and then this one here comes out here and you just connect right over here. So back to the car. As you can see, this is a really good dashcam for the Chevy Bolt EV, and I actually think any electric car. Why this Nextbase Dashcam? Well, because it has, as you can see here underneath the SOS, it has an automatic collision detection system, and if it detects a severe collision and you don't respond on time, it will automatically call the ambulance or the police. It dials 112 here in Europe or 911 in the US. So this is really cool, and that actually makes some functions of the paid OnStar function, which doesn't work in Europe here anyways anymore. Here, if you press it, just a bunch of just a bunch of crap, like nothing happens. They've cancelled it here. So this Dashcam, once again films very 4K and up to 120 frames per second, front and back camera. And besides the insurance's benefits with the Dashcam, you know, that you can prove you're right in case of somebody doing something stupid in front of you or behind you. I've also noticed that with this rear view camera, yeah, that drivers tend to drive a bit less aggressive and less pushing on the ass of my car. So I think these are some useful benefits. So you can tape everything while you drive. It's nice, and also gives you a bit of extra security knowing that it has this automatic SOS service built in. So, do you own a Chevrolet Bolt EV? And do you have a dash cam installed? And which dash cam do you use? And do you think there's a better way to do this cabling without having to do any hard wiring in that fuse box over there for tech electrician savvy people like me? Let me know in the comments below. And I hope this was useful and gives you a bit of inspiration how you can install a dashcam in your electric car. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye.